Hi lovelies, I am Mossy Local and you've probably seen my animation. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make something like this. This is a fully free beginner friendly tutorial. Anyways, what you're going to need is the Alight Motion app, Ibis Paint X app and your hands. That's it. Anyways, let's begin. Step 1. Making the body sheet. Making the body sheet is quite simple and I'm going to show the brush I'll be using. I used a brush with the size 12.2 and this is just kind of how it works, yeah. Anyways, so first you're going to draw the head, which I'm going to do now. And make sure to colour in too. Sorry, this is taking long. Anyways, then you want to click the Then you're gonna want to click the plus button and then draw the face. Make sure they're on different layers. Anyways, then you add the rest of the body, like the torso, one on two, and the legs if you want. But make sure they're all on different layers. So, anyways, now just watch me do the rest, I guess. Back. Anyways, so after you do that, you want to hide all the layers except the one you want to save the image. Then you do it for the rest of the layers. Make sure it's one layer at a time. This might take a long time, but yeah, this is what happens when you do Alight Motion. Step 2, tweening it. Okay, so once you've got your project in, find the audio you want. I'm using this random spoken for video because why not? So you click the plus button after you find it, and you hold on, just give me a sec to catch up. You fix the audio timeline to the part you want, and now we're just gonna wait until I sort it out. Anyways, after you get your audio, you click on extract audio right there, and then you delete the actual clip, but not the purple part. Anyways, now you insert your body sheet, the little drawings you did. So you insert all of them, yeah, which I'm doing right now. So anyways, after you do that, you want to do the pivot points by clicking on the arrows thing twice. This is where you should put the things for each layer. Anyways, after that, you're going to do layer parenting, which is a little 2 squares at the top of the screen. You want to layer the face to the head, the arms to the torso, and that's it. You don't layer the torso, the head, or the legs. So anyways, after you do that, go to the face and click the keyframes button twice. And then you go to the little graph thingy button at the end. And I use the middle graphs and I use cycle. Move it to the thing and click the 3 buttons at the bottom. Click copy curve. After you do that, after you copy the curve, you go to the last keyframe and move it down a bit. So yeah, that's it. That's what you do for the head. And for the face, you search up scale assist in the effects button. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So then you click scale, and then at the end keyframe, you move to like 0.5 or something, 105, and then you paste the curve. You're going to be pasting the curve a lot. So anyways, yeah, for the torso, you do the same as the head, you just move down a bit. That's it. And you also add the curve, obviously. And then for the other arm, you just repeat what you did on the first arm, like shown on the screen. So I kind of forgot to do my pivot points, so I'm doing them now, but you saw them earlier. Don't ask why. So finally, for the legs, you just do the same thing as you did for the torso and the head. You move it down a bit on the last keyframe. And you add the curve, of course. This is what it should look like at the end, by the way. So if you hold down on a layer at the side and then swipe up, you can group a layer, by the way. Step 3. Backgrounds and extras. To make a background, you have to click on shape and click the square. Then you go to effects and go to producer. This is producer. And click on stripes, radial rays or checkerboard. I use stripes for this video. And then you use the count you want and make it the color you want, obviously. And then you go to color and fill and make the background white. And then you move the rectangle to the bottom of your video. So yeah, this is what it should look like. And then after you do that, you go back to effects, click on stripe. Obviously I'm changing the count because I felt like it was too small. And yeah, so after you do that, go to the stripes and click on phase. No, angle, not phase. No, yes, phase, bro. And then you do one keyframe at 0 and the other one at whichever one you want. It should look like this at the end. So yeah. Now I'm going to show you how I do my watermarking videos. So you go to text and write your username. I'm not using my actual username for this video because I don't want to. So yeah. Anyways, I use the normal effect. I use the normal font and I don't change colour either. And I go to blending and opacity, click on darken and use linear burn. Put it wherever you want, to be honest. So yeah. How I did this. So you want to go into freehand drawing and write the lyrics you want. I'm too lazy to write the actual one, so we're writing lyrics. Then after you write your lyrics, you want to go into effects and search up drawing progress. Then you want to go into end, make the first keyframe 0, and then make the last keyframe 100%. It should look like this after. So that's the end of my tutorial. I hope it helped you guys a lot. And if you have any questions, ask me. I'll be answering them. So that's it. Bye, my lovelies.